Hey you, it's Jess here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the December kit lineup from November 28th to January 1st. I am including New Year's Eve week because it's mostly December. And of course it's a holiday period, so let's get into the fun holiday themed kits. Hello, this is Future Jess just cutting in here into the beginning of the video. I just want to remember I need to put a warning. There is an item from the SPC Advent from 2022 this year. The Advent calendar, there is an item of that shown in this video, and if you don't want to be spoiled and you haven't been spoiled yet, maybe skip this video until after you've opened the Advent. Just saying, because I do show an item and I do say it's from the Advent, so just a little warning. Okay, back to past Jess. Woo! And my first one here is November 28th to the 4th, and we are using Caress Press Holiday Prep because it's sort of a natural first holiday set. That's kind of how I put it together, although you could also do this as sort of holiday prep like week before actual Christmas week or whatever, anytime you're going to celebrate. So we don't quite have all the decorations up and stuff like that, so I thought that was fun. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to using this to start off the season. I don't know if I'm doing any holiday prep myself, but we will see. But it's just the usual Caress Press format, and it's just a nice like softer colorway. I thought, like, especially with how she put in this sort of tan goldy brown color, it transitions well from the late autumn kits I was using into the holiday stuff. And I'm going to be pairing it with a Caress Press foil bundle. This is mistletoe in gold, and I just thought it just, because this is very like modern and clean, I thought the mistletoe would go well with that. I don't know, just something simple and like it's still themed but not super Christmassy, if you know what I mean. So we have the new format bundle. I thought it was really pretty. Like this would also go great with winter kits as well. And I loved the bow on here. But yeah, super duper simple. That's all I'm really doing for that. The Caress Press bundles pretty much have everything you need. And like not going too nuts just yet on the holiday stuff. So that is the first week. Next, for December 5th to the 11th, we are using from SPC Sleigh Bells. I very much like controlled what Christmas sets I bought, and I wasn't into a lot of them, to be honest. So this one's kind of like, it'll do pig. So I mean, it's very pretty. I did have a similar color one last year. I don't think it was this odd last year, but it was, I put it with copper, so I am going to be using copper with this kit. But yeah, it's fine. I know it's all right, and maybe I should have, this might have transitioned better from maybe this one would actually I think actually this has to go November 28th before holiday prep, because it transitions better from the late autumn kits I'm using. I think that still works, like, because holiday prep still has like food and biscuits, and we're still working on prepping for the holidays. Okay, so we just did a switch. This is actually, Sleigh Bells is actually going to go for November 28th to the 4th. And holiday prep will be December 5th to the 11th, like when we're in the holiday season proper. But yeah, I'm just going to put this SPC copper bundle with it. This is the sparkle version, and it recently came to the shop. But I think it came out really pretty, and I think, yeah, this will actually be a really good transition, much better than the other one. So alright, we're switching things up, and I think that'll be really cute. So now we're looking at December 12th to the 18th, the week prior to the holiday. So I am going to be using Seasons Creepings. I named this, oh my god. I can't even remember the own names I made from SPC, and you know, it's a spooky Christmas and I'm excited to use it. I love it. And I was debating using it for actual Christmas week, but I changed my mind. I did buy all these black extra colors in case I wanted to use black headers entirely. Like, I think I would still color block with these colors, but the headers would just be all black to really make the foil pop. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, but I'm still gonna color block because I can't help myself. So that is the kit there, and it'll be hard to choose the boxes, to be honest. But I'm gonna bring in straight up holo, and I'm just bringing in bits and pieces that I have. Like, so I have the whole reinforcers from SPC. I don't know which ones I'm gonna use, whether I'm gonna match my bougie boxes or not. We will see. I have them, and then I have first of all, these Christmas full box overlays from SPC with the cute icons, like the cute icons, and then I'm just gonna add up because this makes 8, but I usually need 10 if I don't use a full toolbox. So 8, 9, 10, 11. So plenty of them here. I'm just bringing in these little stars because there are little stars in the design, so the star boxes will fit. Then I have some cute deco from Sadie Stickers, holiday mini decos. I have date dots from Scribble Prints Co. I'm going to use these micro glitter headers, glitter header covers from SPC. They are in holo, yes, but they're going to really pop on those black headers, and I love the look of the micro glitter. And then I think I'm going to overlay, not in every box, oh, I could overlay them, but I have these ho-ho-hos, gingerbread, and reindeer from Sadie Stickers. And then I have, for my bottom washi, I'm going to use the candy cane and the Christmas lights. Christmas lights are Sadie Stickers, and the candy canes are Simply Watercolor Co. So I think they'll be cute. I feel like bringing in like the over-the-top cutesy Christmas icons kind of like adds to the kit. And then my underlays are going to be the vertical line underlays from the SPC Advent in holo. I think it's just going to really go with the aesthetic, because I don't know, I feel like vertical lines really go with it. I don't know, we'll see. I think it'll turn out really cute, and like they'll show up really well under boxes. So I'm looking forward to that. So that is Seasons Creepings with all the foils, and sort of just building my own bundle here. Just something for a bit more creative and fun throughout my set of holiday things. I don't know what I'm saying. And then December 19th to the 25th, so this has Christmas Day. I have SPC's Holly Jolly. I'm using a lot of my art. All of them except one of my art, but you know, I draw them for myself too, you know. But this is my traditional one for this year, and it's based on having like more of a brunch breakfast. And this is like morning of Christmas, so I thought this would be perfect. I just love the traditional look for the actual week. So, you know, we got all the cute stuff here, and it just felt so cozy, you know. And I liked the addition of the dark brown in this version, because I also have the Caress Press one, but I'm going to save that. So yeah, that is that one. And I'm going to, okay, I'm still really unsure about this, but I'm going to put both Champagne Lights and Sparkly Red together using the Caress Press Jingle Bells bundle, and I'm nervous. But when I put up the red jingle bell, like look, like there's only like little bits of red here and there in the actual like kit, but when you bring in the red, it really pops. But I couldn't just see myself doing all red, like all red glitter headers, and then the bougie as well. I couldn't see myself doing so much red, so I was worried about that. So I decided to bring in the Champagne Lights version as well, just to make it extra sparkly and fun, and then I can sort of like pick and choose and mix the red and the Champagne Lights. But I don't know, I think that'll go with this spread, and we're just gonna have to like have some fun with it, figure out what we want to do. But yeah, I was talking to Audrey about it. I'm like, I really love the pop of red with this, but I'm scared. So she's like, just put two of them together. So we're gonna do that, and then I don't have this in Champagne Lights, just in gold, but I kind of wanted to use this Merry Christmas box in gold from SPC's like freebie stuff. I just thought this was a really cute Merry Christmas, and I'll probably put that on the full box of the day rather than have it as like in the spread. So I just thought it was a really cute Merry Christmas. So I'm going to put that in, even though it's gold. It still works with the Champagne Lights. So that is Christmas week. And then finally we have 26th to the 1st. And this is my New Year's Eve kit for now. So this might change because I'm using this because I'm supposed to be seeing a band on the 29th of December. And I kind of made this kit with them in mind to begin with, like this art set. So this guy is actually based off one of the singers of their band. And so I don't know why I didn't buy it from SPC, but I did buy the blonde version from Caress Press. So I'm going to bring him in, even though he's a bit different, because he's not glossy. But I still think it fits. Like, you can't really tell a difference there. Once there's an overlay over him, like he'll be glossy. But the real guy's actually blonde. So I want to do that since I am seeing their band. But the main thing is like why I might not be in. Of course, it's gone like crazy bright. Anyway, the thing is their promoter went bankrupt, so they might have to cancel the show. So if it cancels, I'm going to have to do a whole different kit, and I do have stuff, so this might not be what I use, but I'm fingers crossed it is what I'll get to use. And it's just the I'm a Fake set with an extra from Caress Press. So I bought the one with black hair for the toolbox, and then I should have bought the one with the blonde hair too, but whatevs. Whatevs. I think it'll be really fun. And they did say like this will be the one of the last times that they actually perform here for a long time. They're a Finnish band, but I think they're trying to break America and stuff, so they probably won't be performing for a while. So it would be nice to see the I just love the way this looks. And we're going to be pairing it with, and I think it'll be really fun for New Year's Eve in the spread. We're going to be pairing this with Sparkly Hollow. We have a bunch of stuff here to go with it. Oh yeah, the other stuff that goes with this is doesn't fit in my pockets, so I'll show what I have in here. So first of all, we have this is the same. This is just a duplicate of the same sheet, but I have some quotes here that I got made up of the actual band lyrics from this band, so that's cool. So I've got those from Planet Hannah. You'll see that in the whole on Christmas. I'll talk about those then, but just showing you now that I have quotes from the band that I'm seeing. And then we have, I got this as a freebie from Alicia Craft, these little fireworks in the Sparkly Hollow. So I decided to bring those in because it's still like New Year's Eve. And then I have all of this cool star stuff from Planet Choco. So I have the whole reinforcers, different decos, And these are all in her like it's sparkly hollow, but it's like it has stars in it. It's closer to a shattered hollow, I think, which is why I got shattered hollow from Planet Hannah. But I got a bunch of stuff here in those fun star designs. I just love the hand-drawn stars, and they actually are in the kit as well, so I think they'll go perfectly. Then I have some Caress Press Sparkly Hollow Bougie boxes. I just brought the Caress Press ones out because they were floating around, and also I really like how she has a bit of a chunkier Sparkly Hollow for this. But then I also do have some tall and double box overlays from SPC in Sparkly Hollow. And then I just got this bundle from Plan With Me stickers. And I think I'm going to mostly use the bottom washi from this because it has that fun hand-drawn star. But we could always bring in, there's also these underlays. I mean, maybe I could bring those in. I do like a whole lot of her like functional stuff is really cute. We also have a different selection of boxes and stuff to choose from. So we have the foil bundle, we have all these bits and bobs and Planet Choco stuff, and the band quotes. So I think it'll be a really fun spread. And if it does get cancelled and like moved to another time, obviously I'll just take this whole lot, because nothing here is really New Year's Eve themed except for like the fireworks. So if it gets moved, then I'll just move this and I'll break out a New Year's Eve kit. But yeah, so that's what I hope to use on that week. And that is the end of 2022 and all my December kits. If you like this lineup, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if we're twinning at all. I'd love to know like if you're using any of my art, like which ones are you using. That'd be super fun to find out. Because I feel like these spreads are all very like special to most of us in this time of the year, and that's why I like work super hard on such kits, including the Hanukkah one too, the version of this. Well, this is a version of the Hanukkah kit, okay? That one's the main kit. So if you're using that, also let me know, because I'd love to know. But otherwise, yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day. And technically, Planmas starts today because I filmed a bunch of wax hauls, and they're going to go all the way through from tomorrow until Wednesday, which the last day of November, which is a Planmas trailer. So technically it's a video, and then it's Planmas. So there's non-stop videos every day from now on. So definitely subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. I love you. Bye.